In today's video, I'll give you 21 interesting facts that only the most cultured people know, and you can easily impress your friends with them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And about 4.5 billion years ago, the day was not 24 hours long, but only 4 hours. The reason for this is that the moon was very close to the Earth, and about 3.5 billion years ago, the day became 12 hours. But with the appearance of living organisms on the surface of the Earth, the day became 24 hours. When sea creatures are exposed to danger, they make sure to show their babies to those who are hunting them as a kind of plea for mercy. The number of Google visitors is a number that is difficult to read and write. It is 100 zeros, which is, of course, a number that is multiples of the number of people on Earth. And there is no need to be surprised, for the strangest thing is that this number increases every day. The length of a giraffe's neck is more than 6 feet, and yet its neck has the same number of bones as a human's neck. In 2009, a team of scientists went to Lake Loch Ness to locate one of the famous monsters, but they were surprised to find 100,000 golf balls that had fallen into the lake over the years instead. In the Scottish language, there are about 421 words that mean the word snow, including 𝗙𝗵𝗆 and spitters, in other words. Polar bears are known to be white, but the truth is that their skin is black. But the extreme purity of their fur and the surrounding environmental factors reflect the color of the ice, so it appears in this color. In the spelling of English numbers, the letter A cannot be reached until reaching the number 1000. And you should try this for yourself. The largest volcanic eruption in human history occurred in 1815 in Mount Tambora in Indonesia. And this volcano continued to erupt lava for 2 weeks, leaving a layer of dust that covered the entire Earth and made 1816 a year without summer. It is impossible to walk on planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus. These planets are gaseous and do not have solid soil suitable for walking on. And even Venus cannot be walked on because it is full of volcanic lava. The brain changes its shape when learning new things, as nerve cells create new connections between them that enable them to connect information faster. There is an ancient Egyptian jewel that is about 5,000 years old and is made of a meteorite stone. And when scientists analyzed it, they discovered that it contains the same minerals found in meteorites. The nose can distinguish between more than 1 trillion different smells, and there is no need to wonder, as dogs can distinguish 10,000 times this number. The average length that human hair can reach during its lifetime is about 950 kilometers. The United States alone has made more than 1 billion pencils, which is enough to encircle the Earth 9 times if they are placed side by side. And if we limit the benefit of those pens, we will find that one pen can write about 45,000 words or draw a line 30 miles long. The difference between mass and weight is that mass is constant wherever you are, but weight varies depending on where you are. So if your weight on Earth is 100 kilograms, then it is equivalent to 38 pounds on the surface of Mars. Peanuts are not nuts, but rather belong to the legume family, which is one of the legume families. Minnie Mouse's full name is Minerva, while Mickey was going to be named Mortimer Mouse. An astronaut's suit costs about $12 million, and about 70% of that cost goes into the strong alloy backpack and balance unit. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Australia has about 10,000 beaches, which means that if a person decides to spend a day on all those beaches, it will take him about 27 years.